Hello, welcome back to Glorious and Brazil Kitchen. Today we're making spinach wrap without flour. This is my fish and my shrimps. These are the seasoning that we are using. It will be in the description box. Here I have 1 egg and spinach. I'm going to add the spinach to the egg, blend with salt and garlic. Then look at it, so beautiful. You just fry it like the way you fry your eggs. Here it is. Now this is avocado that I mashed up. That's going to be my filling for the wrap. That's the fish and feta cheese. Now gently you wrap all up. This was so delicious. Very healthy wrap. Now with the help of toothpick, I put my shrimps on my wrap. Yay, look at it. Thanks for watching.